this is Sheree for Just Nailed It. We are doing an acrylic video today, learning acrylics. We have got this beautiful, beautiful purple acrylic. It is by our own, the Nail Junkie Chica. And it is in the flavor of Sassy, which was named after Sassy family. Look at this beautiful, beautiful mix. I want you to be able to see this. So better be careful there. This is a beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous mix. Named by our own Sassy. I have got, let me wipe this off. Sorry about that. I have got my monomer, which is by, where's my bottle? Where's my bottle? AfroglamNails.com. This is a low odor. Gonna revert my brush. I have already got my base, my acrylic overlay on the bottom, my base acrylic, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna go in with our Sassy acrylic. Her own color. I have one as well. It is called Sheree Got Her Groove Back. I have a video on that. You can check that out here. You can go to the Nail Junkie and check out what she's got there. She I don't think she's currently got a store going, which is the shame. She's got some beautiful mixes. And you're missing out. Get this nail going now. Hold her down. Let gravity take over. Let her travel down the nail. Please subscribe to my channel. Whoopsie, we got a what of a nail hair going. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. I upload 3 times a week usually. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Tuesday is my learning acrylics. Thursday is, it could be some kind of a nail art, could be an unboxing, a haul, a review. Saturday is my She Modern Saturday, where I do She Modern nail art. Tina has just released a whole bunch of brand new products, so check out SheModern.com. Here, let me help us down the nail just a smidge. We're going to go in with another bead. We're going to wait till like the count of 5 or so till it looks a little bit pasty. And I'm also going to drain it just a smidge. That way it's not so liquidy and it goes where I want it to go. I'm going to hold it downward, let gravity take over. This is my last and final nail that I have to do. I've already done the other 4, as you can see off camera. There we go. We're going to go with one more small little bead. And I'm going to lay that backwards. Take a gander. I think we're okay. Let me get this going in my acrylic monomer here. Try to clean some of the acrylic out of my brush. Now we're gonna let this sit for just a tad minute. then we are going to put our top layer of clear on. Revert my brush, tap off, bounce into clear. I'm going to drain my bead a little bit here. Make sure you help with the tip of your brush over to the cuticle area. Use the body of your brush to help it down the nail. Don't draw it down the nail. Don't drag it down the nail. You can walk it down the nail, but don't drag. You do want to help feather it backwards down the nail, as I just did to the cuticle area. Anytime you add another bead, you want to feather it backwards. You want to help feather backwards, which is doing this. Feather it down the nail. There we go. Okay, we are going to let that set. Get you some clean monomer. I'm going to do this off to the side. Take your brush. I don't care if you're dipping it in. Take it. Condition your brush. And your clean, clear monomer. And then hang it to dry, which means pointing downwards. Alright, you got the lamp plugged in. I've got my ring light plugged in. What is going to be the sugar nail is in the lamp. These three will be covered in foil glue. Our light of the ring lamp is finito. I'm going to use the purple hollow sugar crush. These are no longer available. This was a limited edition, and I am one of the few who has it. I know Ice has it, Sassy has it. Other than that, I don't know. We are some of the lucky few. So you want to give this nail full coverage, of course. A little goes a long way, but you don't want any empty spots. So I'm going to take and start rubbing this in. Make sure you get your sides and your tip. And I'm sliding all over the place. I'm going to set this back with a lamp for 30. We're going to start now with our foil glue is by iMethod. I firmly believe in this product. I love it 100%. And we are going to be doing some foil. Full coverage is what we're aiming for. One nail at a time. Whoops. Look how beautiful this is. See it sparkle? One of the reasons I love a sugar nail. So the lamp, so we're going to get our foil. I'm probably going to have to go lengthwise to the length of the nail. Press it down over the nail and start rub, rub, rub. Rub like there's no tomorrow. Make sure you get your sides, your critical area, and your free edge. I hope this comes out well. Oopsie. And there we go. Full coverage. Finito. That now we're gonna move on to the middle finger. Started to call it the index finger. Make sure you get this full coverage. No skimping. And this is going to be our bling nail. This will be our next foil nail. So I'm going to go ahead and put the foil glue on now. I think this acrylic set turned out really, really well. Very pleased with it. Very, very pleased. I'm using IHL Beauty's No White Top Coat. Put that there for just a momento. I'm not going to cure this yet because this is where our bling's going to go. I just want to top coat it. I really think this is beautiful. I love the acrylic. Of course, I love all the Nail Junkie's acrylic. I do happen to be a brand ambassador for her. My code is NaileditQueen. The N and the Q are in caps. Everything else is lowercase. That is our bling nail. Our next nail. Start rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. Make sure you rub this really well. Make sure you get your cuticles and your free edge real well. There we go. Another full coverage nail. Gonna pop the last nail into the lamp. I'm getting my bling. There we go. Now, I'm not going to put these out for any rhyme or reason. Shoot. I'm just going to pop them about the nail. I don't have any idea style in mind here. I'm just going to randomly place my bling. Randomly. I'm going to set that back aside because that nail is done in the lamp. I think we got the wrong side of the foil. I think we got the wrong side of the foil here. Shoot, 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 George. We really don't want to shoot George. Whoever George is. Rub, rub, rub. Just roll us up. Make sure you know which side the foil is up. Hopefully got a little sticky left on it. If not, it's my bad. I cannot redo the nail. The other two came out perfect. Oh, thank you, Jesus. There we go. There we go. Now we're going to jump back over to our bling nail. Finish where we were. Where we are. Make this look halfway decent. So arrange your bling however you would like it. And then we're going to pop this in lamp for a full cure. And these babies we're going to top coat. All of them. I think well, not the sugar nail. That one stays sugary. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please click like on the bell, that way you get notified of all future videos. If you like what you've seen, please give my video a thumbs up, a like. It really greatly it means a lot to me. It helps with my algorithm. And it'll help my videos be seen. If you don't do it, then that's why my videos aren't getting out there lately. They're just, I don't know, I'm not getting any views. No watch time on it. I'm not sure what happened. So that's why I asked for the thumbs up and the subscription, because otherwise my videos don't get seen. It really helps the algorithm a lot. It helps the channels be seen and get out there by you clicking the like button. Learning acrylics, if you just happen to stop in. Today we did a purple acrylic nail. The color is Sassy. This is it again by the Nail Junkie. You can look her, the Nail Junkie, up on all social media. On Instagram, she is the Nail Junkie Chica. Instagram, she is the Nail Junkie, and her line acrylic is the Nail Junkie. This color here was called Sassy, after our own Sassy family. Well, here are our nails. They are fresh out of the lamp. We are finished for today. Leave me a comment down below with your thoughts. Let me know what you think. I think it's turned out really beautiful. A nice acrylic manicure. Yep, so leave me a comment. Please subscribe. Please click the like button. I'd greatly appreciate all three of those. And we'll see you next Tuesday. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.